What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy text from an image on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Apple consistently provides a range of useful features to iPhone users, although sometimes these features aren't enabled by default. One such feature is the ability to copy text directly from images, a tool that can be handy in various situations, like quickly grabbing information from a flyer or document. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the camera option. Tap on it to open the camera settings. Within the camera settings, look for the Show Detected Text option. Toggle this on to enable your iPhone's camera to recognize and select text in images. When this is done, open your camera app and point it at an object or image containing the text you wish to copy. This could be anything from a printed document to a handwritten note. You also have the option to copy text directly from existing images in your photo gallery. Look for a 3 bars icon on the lower right corner of the camera view. This icon indicates that the camera has detected text on the image. Tap on this icon. After tapping on the icon, your iPhone will scan and highlight the text. A prompt to copy will appear. Tap on it to copy the text to your clipboard. Now, you can paste this text wherever you need it. For example, open your Notes app, start a new note and paste the text there. If you don't see the Show Detected Text option in your camera settings, your iPhone might need an update. Head back to your iPhone settings and navigate to General, Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This feature requires iOS 15 or later, so make sure your iPhone is running on a compatible version. All these steps, along with more detailed instructions, are available in the comprehensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.